Today we're going to show you how to change a rear taillight bulb. Pretty simple procedure. On this particular vehicle, it's a 2002 Expedition, but it's going to be a light for other SUVs, similar, and pickup trucks. And cars, of course, you have to get in the trunk. So here we go. What you do is, this is a star tool, and some of them just have Phillips. You just take these two bolts out right here. It's very simple, very simple. Just gonna set these bolts. I've already got them loose, so here we go. All right. There we go. All right. And what you do, I've already pulled the bulb out actually. What you do is you take this out, and sometimes it has to pop out. It's got a couple prongs right here that go in. You fit into the slots right here. Okay, the prongs on here. Now be gentle with it. All this is plastic, and if you're working on something older, it's going to be a little more brittle, so don't try to force it. If it's hard to come out, just kind of work with it until you can get out, but don't be over excessive. All right, and what you do, this is kind of bulb that was in it. I pulled it out already, and I'm going to put the new one in. It just plugs in like this, okay? And then you'll take it and you'll put it in and get it in the right position, and then you'll turn it, and that locks it in. You just turn it and lock it in. And this is the backup light bulb down here. It works the same way. Now after you do that, you just take it, make sure you're going to line up the holes right here, and you're going to put these two little prongs in the back here. They're going to go in the holes. You're going to snap it in, and then you're going to put the bolts in. Okay, you have to line up the holes. Be patient with that. They're just little plastic plugs in there that you're screwing the screws into. And you don't have to torque it down real tight or anything. Just snug it up where the tail lamp fixture doesn't move around. And that's it. I'm going to snug it where there's no movement. And that's it. It's a simple procedure. One tool. Some of them may have a Phillips. Some of them may even have a regular screwdriver. If somebody's changed the bolts in it, lost a bolt or something. But all you need is that. Put the bulb in. Snug it down. Don't over torque it. And that's it. Once you get it in there and you get the prongs and the little grommets here, snaps right in.